Number 1. 1996 GMC 1500, price $7,500, well-maintained 4x4 pickup with 203,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a burgundy interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been thoughtfully updated and regularly serviced. It rides on BF Goodrich tires with only 10,000 miles and features a working push-button four-wheel drive system. The Spider injectors have been upgraded to MPFI for improved reliability. An Alpine stereo with Apple CarPlay and upgraded Alpine front speakers enhance the driving experience. With less than 1,000 miles since its last oil change and tire rotation, it has also received numerous replacements, including O2 sensors, catalytic converters, front brakes and rotors, fuel pump, starter, ignition components, EGR valve, and more. It comes with a brand new battery, new headlights and taillights, LED interior lighting, a brake controller for towing, a toolbox, and a bed liner. A full set of Bilstein 4600 shocks is included but not yet installed. Number 2. 1996 GMC 1500, price $8,900, finished in burgundy copper metallic with a tan leather interior. This truck presents well and has been carefully maintained. The body and frame are completely rust-free and have never been exposed to road salt. It is powered by a strong 5.7-liter engine and runs smoothly, delivering a solid and dependable driving experience. The truck drives well, and a recent wheel replacement was followed by a professional alignment to ensure proper handling. Inside, the interior has been thoughtfully refreshed with new leather upholstery on both front seats, a new headliner, and new carpet with mass backing for added comfort and insulation. It also features a modern double DIN stereo system with Apple CarPlay and upgraded speakers for enhanced audio quality. Performance upgrades include a Flowmaster exhaust system and BBK headers, giving the truck improved sound and performance. Additional conveniences include keyless entry with brand new remotes. Number 3. 1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500, well-maintained 4x4 pickup showing 153,000 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a reliable 4.8L V8 gasoline engine. Finished in red with a black interior, this truck remains in excellent condition both inside and out and has clearly been well cared for over the years. While it is not presented as a show truck, it stands as a solid and honest survivor that runs and drives great. The truck does require cab corner repairs due to rust, but brand new replacement cab corners are included with the sale. It also comes with 16-inch rims and Z71 decals ready to be installed on the bedsides. There is some clear coat peeling visible on the roof and hood, consistent with its age. Overall, this Sierra offers strong performance, dependable 4x4 capability, and great value for someone looking for a reliable, classic full-size pickup. Number 4. 1974 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,950, presented as a solid classic pickup with strong fundamentals and great potential. It has 70,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a healthy 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This gasoline-powered truck comes equipped with power steering and power brakes, offering a more comfortable driving experience for a vintage vehicle. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the truck features a desirable flare-side long bed configuration. It has recently received a fresh repaint, giving it a clean and refreshed appearance. While it does need some trim pieces to be fully complete, it remains a very nice project truck with plenty of character and room for finishing touches. Number 5. 1974 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,800, dependable and versatile truck with 127,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. Finished in gray with a matching gray interior, it presents a clean and well-kept appearance inside and out. This truck is known for its reliability and is perfectly suited for work, construction, or everyday use. It features a strong 5.4L V8 2-valve engine in good condition paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The 4x4 system is fully functional, providing added capability and confidence on various terrains. The interior remains clean and well-maintained, and the truck is ready to drive. Overall, this is a classic and rugged pickup that is becoming increasingly difficult to find in such solid condition. Number 6. 1992 Ford F150, price $8,000, well-kept 2WD pickup equipped with a factory towing package and dual fuel tanks. It has 138,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a white exterior with a gray interior, and all electronics, including power windows and cruise control, are fully functional. It also has a solid frame. Recent upgrades include a 2-inch lift, 2-piece aluminum rims with 33-inch off-road tires, new front and rear fuel tanks with new fuel pumps, a Bluetooth stereo, back rack, new windshield wipers, and new floor mats. The factory towing package includes a 7-pin trailer connector, frame-mounted hitch, Tacoma trailer brake controller, column shifter with overdrive, and heavy-duty rear leaf springs. It also comes with a hood bug guard and spare tire, making it ready for both work and daily use. Number 7. 1989 GMC 1500, price $5,000. The transmission was replaced 2 years ago, and it is powered by a Goodwrench engine with approximately 60,000 miles. The front end has been rebuilt, and the rear end was rebuilt and regeared to 4.10 with documentation, including an Eaton TrueTrack limited slip differential. It also has new front and rear brakes, a 6-inch lift, 90% tread tires, and a fully refreshed cooling system, water pump, radiator, and fan clutch. Additional updates include a new exhaust system, EGR, new door pins and bushings, and a 3-month-old battery. The only known issues are a non-working radio and one small rust spot on the driver's side cap corner. Overall, it is a well-maintained truck with solid mechanical upgrades. Number 8. 1997 Toyota Tacoma, price $4,000, reliable and practical compact pickup, showing 208,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission paired with a dependable 2.4L inline 4-cylinder gasoline engine, offering a smooth and efficient driving experience. Finished in green with a tan interior, the truck presents a clean and well-maintained cabin. Both the heat and air conditioning systems are fully functional, ensuring comfort in all seasons. It holds a clean title in hand and is described as a great little work truck, ideal for daily tasks or light-duty hauling. Recent maintenance includes brand new front and rear brakes, adding peace of mind for the next owner. Additionally, the truck comes with a tool chest, making it even more practical for work or utility use. Number 9. 1969 Chevrolet C10, price $6,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and features a striking turquoise exterior. This classic pickup is powered by an older 350 engine fitted with a mild cam, delivering a strong and reliable performance. It runs, drives, and stops as it should, making it a solid and enjoyable truck on the road. The vehicle has received several recent updates, including a new alternator, headlights, and brake line. It rides on 1980s-style rally wheels, adding to its vintage appeal. The fuel tank has been relocated to the bed and is paired with an Edelbrock micro fuel pump for dependable fuel delivery. Overall, this is a very nice truck with only minor rust present, mainly around the roof area. The windows, doors, and all other components are in good working condition, making it a well-maintained and attractive example of a classic C10. Number 10. 1969 Chevrolet C10, price $3,950, powered by a 302 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 190,000 miles on the odometer and features a bold red exterior complemented by a matching red interior, giving it a distinctive and cohesive look. This truck runs and drives well, demonstrating solid overall performance. It has been updated with many new parts, which adds to its reliability and drivability. As a 4-wheel drive model, it offers added capability for off-road use, rough terrain, or challenging weather conditions. With its strong V8 engine, automatic transmission, and well-maintained condition,